What's going on, guys? It's Ben over here at Poor Boys Diesel today. Today we have this beautiful 2014 F250 here with the 6.7 Power Stroke. Customer did what everybody is dreaded to do. They put DEF in their fuel tank. Right. Luckily for this customer, it was a very minimal amount of DEF fluid put in the tank and the truck was not started. So that saved them quite a bit of time and labor in fixing that, and as well parts. So what we did is we got the truck in the shop without starting it, pushed it. We went ahead and dropped the tank, discarded all of the bad fuel mixed with the DEF. We flushed out all the lines. Luckily enough, the DEF had not crystallized yet, so we were able to flush it out with hot water, blew it out, dried it out. We went ahead and did fuel filters, flushed out low pressure pump. And then while we're at it, we went ahead and pulled the CP4 out of this thing and replaced it with the DCR to prevent any kind of future failure with the injection pump. Accidents always happen, you know, it's bound to happen to anybody, but if you're smart about it and vigilant without starting the truck, you can save yourself a lot of money in parts and labor. So if you ever catch yourself in this situation, do not start your truck. Do not try to run it out of fuel, because it will destroy your entire fuel system. If you're running a completely stock vehicle with all the emissions intact, be very, very cautious of where you're pouring your DEF fluid. The Fords and Dodges, the DEF fill is right next to the diesel fill. Just make sure you're putting it in the right hole.